Hi everyone, good day. My name is Christian Kit B. Mansubunan and we are here to present our topic on water integrity and the importance of keeping it within the ship. Watertight integrity means a ship's ability to prevent water from entering and spreading inside the vessel. This is maintained through watertight bulkheads, doors, hatches, values, and proper sealing of openings. Why it is important? Number 1. Prevents flooding. Watertight integrity stops seawater from entering the ship, especially during damage or bad weather. Number 2. Maintains stability. If water enters one compartment and spreads, it can cause the ship to list or even capsize. Keeping compartments sealed helps the ship stay balanced. Number 3. Ensures safety of crew and cargo. It ship with good watertight integrity, protects lives, and prevents damage or loss of cargo.
Number 4. Support damage control. Ships are designed with compartmentation. If one part is damaged, watertight integrity limits flooding to that area only. Number 5. Prevent sinking. By controlling water's ingress, the ship remains buoyant and float even after minor damage. How it is maintained. Keep watertight door closed when required. Regularly inspect seals, gaskets, and hatches. Ensure valves and pipes are properly maintained. Follow ship procedures and safety drills. Simple summary. Watertight integrity is crucial because it keeps water out, maintains stability, and ensure the ship remains safe and float.